Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we will discuss Vitamins Deficiency Quiz Part 1B. What is the chemical name of vitamin C? The correct answer is ascorbic acid. What are the fat soluble vitamins? The correct answer is vitamin A and vitamin E. Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from any technologist. Which disease is caused by a deficiency of vitamin B? The correct answer is beriberi. Which disease is caused by a deficiency of vitamin C? The correct answer is scurvy disease. Calciferol is the chemical name of which vitamin? The correct option is vitamin D. Which part of the eye is donated in eye donation? Correct answer is cornea. Which vitamin contains cobalt? The correct answer is vitamin B12. What is called the powerhouse of the cell? The correct answer is mitochondria. Which vitamin is not present in milk? The correct answer is vitamin C. Which disease is caused by a deficiency of vitamin D? The correct answer is rickets. Deficiency of which vitamin does not allow blood to clot? The correct answer is vitamin K. Which disease is caused by a deficiency of vitamin E? The correct answer is infertility. What is the chemical name of common salt? Correct answer is NaCl, sodium chloride. What is the chemical name of laughing gas? The correct answer is nitrous oxide. In which part of our body are red blood cells formed? The correct answer is bone marrow. Thank you for watching my videos.